Hi, my name is Scott Fontana, and I am here today to show you the most accurate way to cut crown mold and nested, and that is with the crown stop fence. This is something that I have created. The crown stop fence has two parallel T-grooves cut into the face of the fence. Then I have the stop bar that fits into the T-grooves, slides up and down on the face of the fence to adjust to any size crown molding. And when you're done with the stop bar, it simply stores on the back of the fence and you tighten it up, okay? So let's talk about the crown stop fence. Here I have it set up, okay? The beauty of the crown stop fence is you don't need to know the spring angle, okay, when you cut and nested, because that's what you're gonna do when you set up the crown. Crown moldings, they come with all different spring angles, okay? But whatever the spring angle is, when you put the crown molding against the cabinetry or against the wall, this is what is going to sit flat against either the cabinetry or the wall, okay? So when you put it on the face of the fence, same thing. This is representing your cabinet or your wall. Make sure that that is flat, nice and flat, perfectly flat against the fence. That's where it'll be perfectly flat against your cabinetry. That's your spring angle, all done. So slide your stop bar down to the top of the crown and tighten it up. Come over, repeat the process on the other side. I like to use a piece that's long enough to go to both stop bars. As you can see, the crown stop fence is such a perfect snug fit. The molding, it even stays on its own. And you don't need it to stay on its own because we all hold our moldings when we cut them. The DeWalt crown stops, I don't know, to me, it's very uncomfortable the way you hold a molding with those crown stops from DeWalt. They're on the base. We don't like that. The base of the saw, we like open. When we measure our crown moldings to knock the piece down, you might be working with 12 footers. You want the base open so you can lay your molding down, measure and mark. Plus with the base open, your helpers or other workers can come over and make cuts for like door trim, window trim, toe kick, you name it, all while the crown stop fence is set up. Okay, so here we go. We took our fences, we set them down. Every time I come over to my saw, I'm just gonna come right up to my stop bars. I'm gonna go to an outside corner 45, nice and smooth, goes right up to the stop bars. I'm gonna hold it just like you would any other molding and make it cut. Just like that. With the crown stop fence, you'll make perfect miters every time, okay? When you're done with the stop bar, simply take it off, store it on the back. Use your fences as normal. These are replacement fences. They stay on the saw forever. Now you just use your saw as normal. These fences are also a ½ of an inch higher than the stock fences. That's so the stop bar does not lose any height, but it also does give you a higher fence when working with baseboard and things like that you might cut on the straight up, okay?